Alright. These are my audience members. Alright, how is everyone? Good. Alright, can anybody tell me where this is?
Louisiana.
Louisiana, that's right. This is my home. This is where I live. And if you think about it as a house, wouldn't you want to take care of your home? These are our children. Of course we want the best for their future. These are our friends. No, not those guys. These guys. These could be our co-workers, our loved ones, our neighbors. These are Louisiana people. And this is how we make a living. Seafood, agriculture, sugarcane, and number one would be tourism. Now, why tourism, you ask? Because we have culture. Does it make you hungry? When I say there's no place like home, I mean that literally. There is no other place like Louisiana in the world. I mean, think about New Orleans alone. There is no place like New Orleans. All the culture, the music, the food. But what if that all disappeared? This man lost his home to the water. 1 in every 4 homes will be lost to the water within the next 60 years. We have 2 million family members, neighbors living along the coast. In 1839, this is what the Louisiana boot looked like. In 1993, that's what it looked like. And it's been 20 years since then. What didn't help? Oil. The BP oil. It took us back an unknown amount of steps. Steps that we won't see until years and years from now. This is a before and after picture of a pelican who was drenched in oil. Luckily, he was one of the ones that were saved. There were trillions of species that died that are affected to this day from it. That includes marine mammals, birds, turtles, but especially the plankton. The plankton are like fish food. And if we lose our fish, well, there goes most of our living. Louisiana is responsible for 50% of the nation's seafood distribution, which is a lot. That's a lot of food, that's a lot of money, that's a lot of jobs. So you're thinking, well, why should I help? You know? Well, have you ever heard of an ecosystem? Well, ours is a marshland. Marsha. So if we lose that, first of all, we lose our grass prices will go up. We'll lose several different islands that are responsible for oil. Number 2 would be hurricane barrier. We lose our hurricane barrier, we'll have to move up north. It's also home to a large variety of different animals, species. 5 million birds flock to Louisiana alone for migration. Tourism will be obsolete if we lose our culture, if we lose our marshlands. Our grandkids will have to move out to find better jobs. They also are responsible for cleaning our water, cutting costs by up to 80%. And is also responsible for producing oxygen for the entire world, which every acre of land that we lose increases the carbon dioxide in the air, which does not help for global warming. And one day we won't be able to breathe. And have you ever heard of the movie Ferngully?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's scary how accurate that movie is becoming. Money is tight, the economy is bad. I know, I'm in college. Experts say that it'll take $50 million to restore our coast. But there are approximately 4.5 million people in Louisiana, and if every person gave just $1, that's $4.5 million right there. It's not much, but it's a start. We gotta start somewhere. This is a bird that was affected by the oil. He did not make it. But dare I say hope? Is it too late? It's not too late. We can do something about this. There is a difference. And it's called donating. I don't know how to operate a robot jellyfish or a sailboat that cleans the ocean. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know which plants plant where to help them out. So we can donate money to these scientists that are helping us. All you have to do is go to crcl.org to donate directly to the Louisiana coastline or saveourgulf.org. You have to do your part. Every penny counts. And you can help save guys like these. And you don't even have to lift up a shovel. Thanks, guys.